Okay, I just put my potatoes back in the microwave for another 5 minutes, and I did add maybe a third, not even a third, a few drops of water. Just added enough water to keep it from sticking from the pan. See how it's coming away nice? See that lovely rich colour? That's all your turmeric and chilli and everything. So, like right now, even if I was to taste the sauce, it would have a lovely balance of flavour in there. Because like I cook curry pretty much every day anyway, so I eyeball it. I know the colourings. As weird as it is, you kind of get used to the colourings and how much you are or are not putting in there. So with this curry, I will be making bread for it. However, I'm not making bread as such. I'm just doing the cheats way at this point in time. I'm just going to be doing puff pastry. I'll cut that like one big sheet into 4 squares, and then I'll fry individual ones, like kind of dry fry in a way on the actual stove. I'll do like a few of them for my husband as well, so because that's what he wanted. But I'm not telling him, but I do have atta flour, and I could make roti, but I swear to God, I made that. No sooner I make roti, which is an Indian flatbread just made from wheat flour, water and salt and a little bit of oil and salt. I make that. I can't keep it cooking quick enough. It goes that quick. My husband sniffs that out. It's Gornski's. He lives and breathes that stuff, trust me.